Hey everyone, today I want to really quickly talk about the morphology tool in Dicom to print. So I'm going to go ahead and go into a case and I'm going to focus on segmenting out teeth. So I'm going to scroll down until I see the tooth roots and what I want to work in right about here. And I'm going to zoom in that area. I'm going to use one of our segmentation tools, the teeth segmentation tool. Then I'm going to select the single tooth root option. All I have to do is left click and tell it that it's a lower jaw single tooth, and I'll do that on all of these teeth here. And this is just to get my mask. So once I have my mask created, I'll then go ahead and use the morphology tools. So once I select apply, the software is automatically going to segment out these teeth as best as it can. And I'd say it gets about 95% of the way there, but we still need to review our segmentation just to make sure it's what we want. So then it turns this blue color here. That means it's given us a selection. I'll go ahead and select set to create a new mask. Over here on the right hand side, we can see that I have a new mask and I'll name this teeth. And then we'll scroll through it just to see how good it did. And we got a little bit of problem over here, but that's not what we're going to look at today. We're going to look at areas like this. So if I zoom in here, you can see that these teeth are actually connected right here by 1 pixel. If I go into the morphology tool and I select open and I set it to 1 pixel and I select set, it'll take a look at this segmentation. It'll take a look at these masked areas, and anywhere there's 1 pixel separating one masked area from the other, it will erode that, or it'll cut that away. And there we go. Now, if I wanted to join all of these together, and I see that this area has 2 pixel area separation, I can go ahead and say close by 2 pixels, and it's going to take a look at these bodies here, and it's going to join them together anywhere that it has 2 or less pixel separation. So I'll go ahead and select set, and we should see all these joined together by 2 pixels. And this one looks to be 3 pixels, so that one didn't join. But this area is now joined together, this area is now joined together, and this is greater than probably 4 or 5 pixels, so that didn't do any combination either. And that does that throughout the entire mask. So anywhere that it had 2 pixels separation, I told it to close and it joined together. Now, when I choose the dilate and I choose by 1 pixel, it's going to take a look at all of these bodies and it's going to expand it by 1 pixel. So when I select set, we should see the entire perimeter of all of these bodies expand by 1 pixel. And likewise, when I choose erode and I choose 2 pixels, it should shrink each of these bodies. It should shrink each perimeter by 2 pixels. And that is how the morphology tools work. Thank you very much.